Are you someone like me that constantly looking to improve myself? Or are you wondering what are the other peoples are reading in terms of self-help books? Self-help is a big part of personal development and it's one of my interests. For the past few years, I have been reading a lot of books. A lot of times, I will just rely on friend recommendations and also search online to see what are books available to read. But today, I will show you some research I did to say what are the other people are reading for the self-help books. Without further ado, let me show you what I did to find out those books. Okay, this is what I did. I searched best self-help books in the YouTube search box. Then you can see that a lot of the top influencers came up. 10 self-help books that changed my life. 10 best self-help books to read in 2020. 5 life-changing books you must read in 2022. 15 books to read in 2022. And so on and so forth. So what I did is I compiled all this information into a big Excel sheet. From all this, I find about 9 top influencers. So I want to say what's their recommendation on self-help books. These are her 10 recommendations. 7 habits of highly effective people. Atomic habits, how to win friends and influence others, so on and so forth. So as you can see, the number 1 book, Atomic Habits, recommended by 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have a lot of ties recommended by 3 times. For example, 7 habits of highly effective people. 7 habits. Then we have How to Win Friends and the Influence. Those are pretty old books that I read. Both of these 2 I read before. And it's also in my other video I recommended, the 6th book that changed my life. And also this one got 3 recommendations. Can't Hurt Me. The last one that got 3 recommendations is the 4-Hour Work Week. So basically these are the 5 books I recommend you reading if you haven't. No matter what, these books are not your Bible. You should read and take whatever fits for you. For example, the 4-Hour Work Week. If you don't think that's a lifestyle that will fit for you, definitely you don't have to. But this is just a reference. This is some data point that you can learn from others. Last, no matter how many books you read, no matter what kind of self-help book you find, at the end of the day, you need to put those learnings into action. That's what it matters. For a lot of the books that I read, for example, the 7 habits of highly effective people, if you ask me, I probably couldn't remember all the details. But some of the things that I keep practicing, for example, using the Eisenhower matrix to prioritize, I keep using it and it's become part of my life. The true value of the book is that you can internalize some of the tips into your daily life. Okay, this is what I want to share with you today. Hopefully those self-help books will help you improve your personal life. And if you like this kind of content, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.